Hello guys, welcome to the online student academic page. This tutorial is on how to import coordinates from Excel into AutoCAD. Let's concatenate the coordinates before we import them into AutoCAD. And to do that, we click on Formula, Text, Concatenate. At the level of Text 1, we add the X coordinate, Text 2, comma, Text 3, the Y coordinate. Okay, we click and drag to implement for the others. We go into AutoCAD, we create a layer called point. We make it active. We verify that the drawing unit is the same with the coordinate unit. Method, the position 0.1, the direction, the base angle east. Okay, we go back to Excel, we copy the concatenated coordinate, we draw multiple points. At the level of the command bar, we right click and paste. For our coordinate to appear, we still at the command bar, we type Z meaning zoom, enter, E meaning extend, enter. This is our coordinate. For them to be more, to make this coordinate to be visible or to adjust it, we go on Format, Point Style. We choose any style that we like. We set size in absolute unit. We put 1, for example. This is our coordinate. The next step now is to attach matricules to this coordinate. We go back on Excel. At the level of importing text to AutoCAD, we have 4 columns: a command, concatenate coordinate, rotation angle, and text. At the level of command, we introduce a command. We start by an apostrophe minus text. We repeat, we concatenate the coordinate again at this level. Text concatenate at text 1, X coordinate as earlier, text 3, Y coordinate, and OK. We drag for the others. Same thing here, we drag for the others. The angle of rotation is set at 0. At 0. Text, we put the formula equals to, we choose the first point, we enter. We drag to implement for the others. We go back now into AutoCAD. We go on Format, click on Text Style. We adjust our style. We choose the font style, the font name. Let's say, for example, Time New Roman, depending on you. The width at 0.5. We apply. We close. We go back on Excel. We copy, and the command bar, we right click and paste. This is our coordinate with the matricule attached to them. We can adjust our point we go back on point style. If we put, for example, at the point side we put 0.5 so that it should reduce. Yeah, so this is our coordinate with the matrix. That comes to the end of my presentation. For any worry or suggestion, please contact us on our page, and do not forget to like, share and comment.